Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to copy someone's Instagram reel effect. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and then go to the reel section to find the reel that has an effect that you want to copy. At the bottom of the reel, you'll see the music and the effects button, and just click the effects button and it will lead you to this page where you can see all other reels that has this effect. And if you want to save this for later use, just click the bookmark button at the top right corner of your screen. But if you want to use this effect now, go to any reel and then click use effect. So once you've clicked that, the effect will be automatically applied to your camera. And if you record a video or take a picture, the effect will be there. And that's how you can easily copy someone's effect on your Instagram reel. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!